good afternoon. When you have any problem and in the society and you go to the police thana and police not taking you, entertaining you and creating hurdles for you and not lodging an FIR, and in that very situation what you should do, because there is a rumor that law has been passed out where the police department has given a lot of power and they can manipulate the things according to their choice, but it is not so. As per new law, BNS section 198 199 says that if the police department is harassing you, disturbing you, beating you and threatening you and influencing by the other party, and lodging an FIR against you, then what you should do, only thing, you have to remain silent. You have to keep polite, speak politely with the police department and do not interfere in their work, whatever they are doing. But you can always go to the concerned court, and because in 198 BNS section 198 there is a punishment for 1 year fine, 1 year punishment plus fine, or fine or punishment, or it can be both as per the situation. And section 199 says that if they are manipulating you or not lodging an FIR and creating hurdles for you, in under section 199 there are other subsection where you can, according to the section, you can go to the court and take action against the police department. It is true that police department has given power, but it is also true that in new Act BNS Act section 198 and 198 and 199 has given power to the local people in the section where it is mentioned clearly that if police is harassing, torturing and not listening to the citizen, where as per section they should do and obey the rules, or otherwise they are a public servant, they have to do their moral duty as per law. If you are not denying and creating others, then you can go to the concerned court as per law and you will get the justice. Only thing I suggest that while if they are not giving justice, we get provoked, and then we start fighting with the police that we have not to do because they have power, or they are doing something, some work, and where we feel that this is against, then we should not interfere, and but we have to note down and go to the court and get the justice. I hope you will find this information very productive. Thank you so much.